What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I've got a 1956 model 150. We're gonna do a little walk around. I went ahead and opened the trunk, opened the hood. Gonna do things a little bit backwards today just to mix it up. Kind of want to show you around this vehicle. I'm going to point out all the flaws that I can find. We do that up here at Maple Motors. That way when you come down here, you know exactly what you're getting. We have a whole classic car lot full of muscle cars. You can check us out at maplemotors.com or just give us a call, 615-822-4444. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. It's got a 305 in it, a lot of aluminum accessories, aluminum radiator, no power steering. Does have drum brakes on it. Motor runs pretty good. It's nice and quiet. Felt good on the test drive. I just got back. Please check that video out. I'll link it to the end of this one. And then checking the trunk out, they've added some custom mats. Got it looking pretty good. Not too bad. This carpet needs to be replaced. You can see it's just kind of dirty. They probably had a spare tire in here. They relocated the battery to the trunk. You can see where they've got fabric all over the trunk lid. It actually looks pretty good. Other than this, I'd have to change this out. I'd leave these. These panels are nice. Weather stripping in the trunk. Looks like it's been replaced fairly recently. It's nice and dry in there as well. Go ahead and get the trunk out of the way. That's where you put your tag. This tag here is just a magnet. A lot of people ask, that's a magnet. It's not gonna hurt anything. While I got the hood up, I'm gonna go ahead and start it, and we'll start walking around and checking the interior out, and we'll end with the outside of the car. Starts up nice and easy. The car's already been warmed up. It's been driven around the block. Temperature never got over 180, and the average oil pressure was 30. See, the motor's nice and quiet, very responsive. Aluminum radiator allows it to cool the engine more efficiently. Under the hood's nice and clean. There's an external horn sitting here. Looks like somebody's upgraded, but I couldn't get the horn to work in the car. I think it's disconnected behind the steering wheel. Go ahead and shut this down. I'm gonna run down the body of the car. Looks like they replaced the bumper in the front. It's a new bumper, in great shape. You can see the grill's been replaced as well. The trim around the headlights looks nice. The emblems are in good shape. And even the hood ornament looks new. Decent set of wheels and tires on there, American racing wheels. The trim down the side of the car is in great shape as well. Always check the very low and bottom parts of the door. The lines look great on this one. I don't see any bubbles on this side at all. They got some nice mirrors on here. It's a little different, a different style, but I do like those. Trim around the windshield's in great shape. They definitely replaced that. Windshield wipers look like they've been replaced. The seal around the window looks good as well. Windows have been lightly tinted. Makes them look smoked. I like that. That looks good. Door handles are in good shape as well. It's a pretty nice car here. Hear a little bit of vibration coming from either the tag or the exhaust back here. Tail lights are in good shape. The rear bumper's been replaced along with the front bumper. I'm sure they did that at the same time. Exhaust tips look like they're new. There is a light scratch right here on the back of the trunk lid. I don't feel it in the paint, so I think that can be buffed out. Of course, you see how shiny the car is. It don't really need a buff job, but I guess a little extra wax never hurt. You can open the tail light and get straight to the gas cap. And that actually looks like they've replaced all that as well. I hear a little bit of rattling coming from under there, so sounds like a screw's loose or something. The trim looks awesome running down this car. Check the bottoms of these doors as well. There's a chip right here in the paint. Another little chip right here. But I'm not seeing any rust issues. Very straight body, very clean car. They redid the interior as well. It's got power windows, and they do work. Dash was painted to match, and it's in great shape. Seats look great. Package tray's got a set of speakers back there. Looks like that was fairly new. Back seat's in great shape. B&M shifter. Shifts smoothly, nice. We got the factory, or we don't have the factory ready. We got an aftermarket radio. It was replaced. In the office, we take the face off. Only thing about the horn, I couldn't get it to work. I just think it's not hooked up. I don't feel like it has any spring back to it. Headliner's in great shape. And this seat, there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, it's even got 56 Chevy stitched into it, both seats. Got upgraded speakers down in the bottom of the floor in the kick panels. The switch is out on the blower motor, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say the air doesn't work. There's no AC anyways. Speedometer didn't work on the test drive. The gas gauge, I do not believe it works. Our oil pressure's sitting right at 30. Our temperature's right at 180. And the volts are at the 14 where they're supposed to be. Windshield wipers do work on this car. And the brake works. Car's got a great sound, beautiful interior, runs and drives good. If you haven't checked out the test drive, please do so. That's a nice little Chevy right there. All right, guys, I'm gonna do my little spill. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. Post cars like this every single day. We're up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We're all family owned, been here 37 years. You can also talk to any of us on the phone, 615-822-4444. We'll be happy to talk with you. Or check out maplemotors.com for 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and transportation options. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all have a good one.